This is 2016 question 1. Part A asks to draw an elevation in the direction of arrow A. So because it's positioned here on our end elevation, they want us to take it to the left. We're going to position our elevation in the top right hand corner. So the overall height is 110. We're going to measure down 120 to our XY line and leave a space from the edge. Come in roughly 20 to 30 millimeters. The overall size of the speakers is 110 by 240. So put it inside a rectangle. Now mark up all of our heights and all of our lengths. (67), 22, 62, 22, and that should leave us with 67. We can bring our heights up nice and lightly, 2H pencil. We will take our heights now along the side. 22. Sorry, apologies. 12, 18, 12 and 18. Now at this point we start to harden in some of the detail on the elevation. Now we're going to bring this down into our plan. Leave a gap of 20. And our depth is 67. And at this point we step out a further 40 mil. going to mark the radius on both ends. Step back 22, which we've already done here at this point, and we join it back like so to touch the base. We must then mark the radius, smaller radius on the top, 15 mil. Find the center line, halfway in, which is 140, and we have a radius 30 mil then to mark from the top view looking down. In that we have a 15 mil slot, 40 mil long, so 20 mil either side. And it's 15 mil. We can't do the shape, the rectangle on the slope surface, or can we do this part until we work backwards from our end view. So from here we bring our lines across, just draw in our YY line, extend that line down there, bring all our points over to it. And bring them up at 45 degrees. So we're going to continue with bringing all these lines up and bringing all these lines across. Once you have them all brought across and all brought up, harden in the ones we want with your HB pencil. So we have the side, and we have our slope surface coming down. From that we have our curved surface which sticks out. We also have this surface which is on front here for the MP3 to dock and slants backwards like so. We have a little bit of hidden detail to work with too. We're told that this little slot up here has a depth of 8 mm. So when we bring the points for it back up, we need to drop them down 8 mm. That should be hidden detail. However, I had the wrong pencil in my hand, but we can rectify that. There was a shape on the front here, a rectangle on the front, and it was in 10 mm from the edge, 10 mm from the top. So I bring that down to bring it back to the base. We could only find that in the end view and work backwards. And then we can transfer it back across onto the docking area. That can be hardened in down here as follows. And we had to also find this little bit of detail here and bring it back down to our plan. To find how far back it goes. And that is the plan complete. Now we must finish our elevation, bring our points up. And we must split our circle in plan to find a curve up the top. We must split it up 30-60. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We're going to locate each of them in the end view and then bring them across. Okay, so we bring them 2 points across. We have the top point and we need the bottom point also. Now we bring them up from the base.